a look at something slightly harder. And I think we're on question 3. Okay, so let's start a new page. It's quite a long question 3. So question 3, and in this case we are integrating 2x squared plus 3x plus 12 divided by 2x minus 1 x plus 3 dx. And I am being told in the question to use those partial derivatives. 2x squared plus 3x plus 12 over equivalent to a plus b over so I'm told to use this form of partial fractions. Right, okay, so I need to find common denominator, and my common denominator is 2x minus 1 x plus 3. So let's sort this out. So 2x squared plus 3x plus 12 over 2x minus 1 x plus 3, and that is equal to a. Now for a, I am going to multiply a by both brackets. So the common denominator is 2x minus 1 and x plus 3. So I'm going to multiply the top here and the bottom by 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1. This term, I'm going to multiply the top by x plus 3 and the denominator by x plus 3. This one I'm going to multiply by both terms. So a and then 2x minus 1 and x plus 3 plus b x plus 3 plus c and 2x minus 1. If the denominators are the same, this means that my numerators must be equal. So it means that 2x is equivalent to a Okay, your job is to find the values of a, b, and c. So let's try and think what makes this bracket equals to 0. What is the value of x that will make this bracket equals to 0? And if x is minus 3, this bracket will be 0. So let's try it here. Let's substitute at x equals minus 3. So I'm substituting x as minus 3. So 2 and then minus 3 squared is 9 plus 3 times minus 3 plus 12 equals. This will become 0 because minus 3 plus the 3, this bracket will be 0, multiplied by that will make it a 0, multiplied by a will make it a 0. So this whole term will become a 0 when I substitute x is minus 3. Right, plus this term will also become a 0 because I'm substituting x as minus 3. So I'm only left with the c term. So let's substitute. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6 and minus 1 is minus 7. Substitute. Right? That's 18 minus 9 plus 12. If we do the maths here, this will come up to be 12 equals minus 7c. And therefore, c must be equal to minus 3. Sorry, it's 21, not 12. 21. Sorry. Okay, -7, so C must be -3. Now, let's try and think what makes this bracket equals to 0. What is the value of x that will make this bracket 0? X equals 1/2. So let's sub in at x equals 1/2. So again, we're substituting into this one here. So 2 times 1/2 squared, which is 1/4, plus 3 over 2 times 1/2, yeah, so over 2 plus 12 equals. When I substitute x as 1/2, this bracket here will become a 0. So 0 multiplied by x plus 3, therefore it's a 0, multiplied by a is a 0, so the whole term will become a 0. Plus, I'm substituting x as 1/2, so let's go here. B, I'm substituting x as 1/2. I'm here, x, okay? So 3 plus 1/2 is 3.5. What is 3.5? 3.5 is 7 over 2 multiplied by b. Plus, if you substitute x as 1/2, this will become a 0. Okay, so 2 over 4 is 1/2, plus 3 over 2, 4 over 2, so plus the 12, so that would make 14 equals 7 over 2b. You can divide both sides by 7, or you can multiply the 14 by 2 and then divide by 7. So in this case, b must be equal to 4. So now I know the value of C and B. I haven't found the value of A yet. Okay, so that's what I need to do next. What I need to do next is, let's go blue, and let's find the value of A. And again, just make your life easy, either go for 0 or 1. And in this case, let's go for x equals 0. So at x equals 0, substitute a 0 into here. So we're substituting a 0, so 2 times 0 squared, 0, plus 3 times 0, 0, plus 12, easy, equals A, and then 2 times 0, minus 1, so it's a minus 1, and then 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay, plus, I'm substituting in this part here, and I'm substituting the B as 4, and 0 plus 3 is 3, plus, I'm substituting here at the moment, C is minus 3, and 0 minus 1, so it's minus 1. So minus 3 times minus 1. Let's work those values out. So this is 12 equals minus 3a. That's 12 plus 3, so we're going to have 15 here. Subtract 15 from both sides, so minus 3 equals minus 3a, and therefore a must be equal to 1. Brilliant. I found the value of A. I have also found the value of B and the value of C. What do I do next? I go back here into my original equation here, and I'm going to substitute the values of A, B, and C. So let's do that. Let's go down here and let's sub in those values. So 2x squared plus 3x plus 12 over 2x plus minus 1 and x plus 3, and that is equal to, because I now know the values, 1, which is the value of A, plus the value of B, which is 4, divided by 2x minus 1, minus 3, value of C, divided by x plus 3. And if I integrate this side with respect to x, I do exactly here. So if I integrate the right-hand side, I basically have integrated the left-hand side. So let's integrate the right-hand side equals. When you integrate 1 dx, you get x, because 1 is x to the power of 0. You increase the power divided by the new power. When you increase the power of 0, it becomes 1. So it becomes visible, x to the 1. Plus, I am going to break down this 4 into 2 times 2. So I'm going to have the numerator as the derivative of the denominator. So if I have, let's go down here, if I have f of x as the denominator, which is 2x minus 1, therefore f dash of x is equal to 2. So if the top is the derivative of the denominator, therefore it's ln f of x, which is the denominator. So it's going to be 2. Please, if you can't remember it, just watch the video on special integrals and you will come across it. It explains it clearly. So 2 ln mod of 2x minus 1. Okay, minus 3. And again, the very first one that we have discussed, it's going to be ln mod x plus 3 plus c. Therefore, the answer will be x plus 2 ln mod 2x minus 1 minus 3 mod x plus 3 plus c. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you have found it useful. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.